This is Meteorologist Matthew East, and this is the Monday edition of the Carolina weather video here for the 17th day of November. I enjoyed a week off last week, now back in the saddle this morning, and we have an Arctic blast of air heading on our way. There's the temperature pattern across the lower 48 this morning, and it's chilly around our area this morning. A lot of folks just below the freezing mark here in the Carolinas, but the shot of the coldest air so far this season moving into the northern plains and the western Great Lakes region today, and that is heading straight southeastward. And we will have our coldest air so far this season coming up tomorrow and Wednesday. In fact, we're going to be looking at temperatures actually below average for the middle of January around here. So even below average temps for the middle of winter coming up for tomorrow. So very, very cold air set to move on in. And those below average temperatures I'm talking about in terms really of daytime high temperatures especially. Across the lower 48, there is that Arctic high pressure moving into the northern plains from southern Canada, and that'll be heading our way. And in the colder air today, we still have lake effect snow showers in those favored downwind spots of the Great Lakes, the wind direction generally out of the west in the Great Lakes region today, and that's causing those lake effect snow showers in those favored downwind spots. Let's take a look at the upper air pattern. This is off of the 0Z run of the GFS. That's the pattern today, 1 o'clock this afternoon. Nice trough in the eastern part of the country. That trough sharpens tomorrow as a disturbance pivots on around the base of the trough. Now that's the GFS. Let me show you the NAM. The NAM has a little bit more energy there in the base of that trough that moves across North Carolina. And I'll say that it's not out of the realm of possibility that here in the Piedmont we might see a few snow flurries at some point tomorrow. Certainly no accumulating snow outside of the mountains, but maybe just a few flakes possible as this colder air settles in tomorrow. And down toward the weekend, this is the GFS depiction for 1 o'clock in the afternoon Sunday. And notice the GFS has a nice little disturbance here moving our way. The European much different for roughly the same time frame. No such disturbance. And while the GFS would bring precipitation in here Sunday, the European keeps us dry. So still some uncertainty for the coming weekend. But what is certain is the cold air that's coming. Here we are, 1 o'clock this afternoon. That high pressure that I mentioned, that Arctic high, moving into the northern part of the country. And we will see snow showers kicking in the North Carolina mountains tonight into tomorrow morning. Here we are tomorrow morning, and that is the snow shower activity up into the mountains. And again, as that disturbance pivots across our area, maybe a couple snowflakes possible outside of the mountains in the Carolinas as tomorrow unfolds for us. But let's talk about the cold. It is going to be a cold day tomorrow. Today will be up low to mid-50s in most spots, but tomorrow I think we're going to struggle to make it up into the lower 40s in many spots. And with gusty northwesterly winds over 20 to 25 miles per hour at times, we're talking at best wind chill values in the 30s through the afternoon hours for tomorrow. So it's going to be a midwinter-like day for tomorrow. Here we are Wednesday morning, a hard freeze on the way, low temperatures all the way down into the low to mid-20s, maybe even a few spots in the upper teens if the winds relax just enough. So a very cold start to Wednesday. And again, Wednesday during the day, we're only talking 40s for afternoon high temperatures. All right, here we are Thursday. The air mass modifying a bit. We'll probably reach the low to mid-50s Thursday afternoon. Pretty good amount of sunshine, maybe some more snow showers up in the North Carolina mountains. Friday, back down toward the upper 40s to lower 50s. Again, a pretty good amount of sunshine. Now, this is where the disagreement comes in. On Saturday, the GFS starts developing this disturbance in the southern plains, and by Sunday, we see that precipitation moving into our area. The European not really the same at all with that possible weekend setup. So we'll just mention the chance for a few showers here. That's what I've done with this forecast package on Sunday, if maybe a few showers out there. And we'll hone in on that weekend forecast over the next day or two as things get a little clearer. But a cold air mass on the way. Bundle up. This is going to be a very chilly 72-hour period coming up here in the Carolinas. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful Monday, and God bless.